Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Potato. As a glorified home cook, not a chef, I can tell you that the potato is one of the most beautiful and versatile ingredients to ever grace planet Earth, and it's delicious too. But we can't eat potatoes on keto. But forget the potato, because cauliflower is the new potato. Yep, you heard that right. Cauliflower is the lifeline of anyone on keto. It is unbelievable what you can do with a simple vegetable like the cauliflower. I mean, we've turned it into mashed potatoes, into rice, into so many other things, into an upma. And today I'm here to turn the humble cauliflower into a Middle Eastern classic. Yep, you got that right. We're making hummus or hummus, whichever way you want to say it. Yep, and you're probably thinking, but hummus is chickpeas, it's not even a potato. But you know what? A potato can't be a hummus, but a cauliflower definitely can. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's go and make that keto hummus using cauliflower. So to make our hummus, we're going to start by cutting up our cauliflower into florets. Now, cutting a cauliflower can be quite messy, which is why I would recommend not hacking it into pieces and cutting it right at the stems where the florets are. That way it's less messy. Then give your cauliflower a good wash under some running water. Make sure you get all that gunk off it if there is any. Then we put our cauliflower into a bowl and we're going to microwave it for 10 minutes. Now, while our cauliflower is in the microwave, I'm just going to de-seed some olives. You can use de-seeded olives, that will save you the trouble of de-seeding them. And as you can see, these are a bit tricky, but I managed to get them all done. So after about 10 minutes of cooking in the microwave, our cauliflower is ready, and just run your knife through it to make sure that it's cooked through properly. If you have hard cauliflower, this will not work. You want nice soft cauliflower. Anyway, we're going to put the cauliflower in our food processor. We're going to give it a good generous seasoning of sea salt. I'm going to add in some cloves of garlic. Now I'm going to add some tahini paste, which is basically roasted sesames ground into a paste. Then I'm going to add in our chopped olives. I'm going to add in some paprika. And I'm going to add in some cumin powder. And I'm going to add in the juice of half a lime. And finally, I'm going to add a nice big swig of some good extra virgin olive oil. Then I'm just going to blitz this entire thing. Now this might take a while, so be prepared. Every once in a while you want to open it up and scrape down the sides of the blender so that everything gets blended. And you also want to make sure you taste it while you're blending it, because you may need to add some more garlic or some more olive oil or some more tahini, depending on how you like your hummus. So while I was making mine, I did add some extra olive oil. I added a little bit of water as well to sort of smoothen it out a little bit. But what I'm trying to say is basically taste it as you go along and add things as you require them. And once it's finally done and it's reached the nice smooth consistency you're looking for, we're going to pour it into a bowl, and then I'm going to chop up some fresh parsley and just add it to that hummus and mix it all in. And this is just going to give the hummus a lovely freshness. Then I'm just going to put the hummus in a serving bowl. I'm going to give it a sprinkling of cayenne pepper just for a wee bit of heat. I'm going to drizzle some more extra virgin olive oil right over that, and then decorate it with some more fresh parsley and one olive. And that's it. Our keto hummus made with cauliflower is ready. Can you believe it? It's that easy. Alright folks, it's time to taste the hummus, and I can't wait to dig in. Oh yeah, this looks so good, and ooh, it's lovely and creamy. Wow. It's delicious. It looks delicious. I know what you're thinking. He double dipped. Well, you know what? I'm the only one eating from that. So I can double dip. I can triple dip. I can quadruple dip. But oh my god, is that hummus delicious, or is it delicious? that is silky smooth, it's rich, creamy, and it really feels like hummus. You don't get that cauliflower taste from it because of the tahini, the lemon, the cumin. Wow, that's spectacular. And you know what will go great with this? If you saw my baba ganoush recipe, which I will leave you a link for at the end of this video, I showed you guys how to make some keto crackers, cheese crackers. That or even our keto naan will go amazing with this. So guys, full props to this keto hummus. I don't know why I put it down. This is awesome. But I do want to let you guys know a couple of things though. So I told you during the video that you can add a whole bunch of stuff to it and taste it as you go. That's kind of what I did while I was making this. And I have now, when you get the recipe in the link below, it will be all the perfect quantities hopefully. But still taste as you go along. If you don't want to add so much oil, you can always add water as well. And you know, in fact, yesterday I made a version of this in the NutriBullet, the smaller processor, and because it was a smaller quantity, and that processor has a higher power to it, so it actually whipped up everything much faster. This takes a bit of time, so don't be impatient. You know, it may take you 5 to 10 minutes because it's a lot to break down as well. But yeah, anyway, enough jibber jabber. You go and make this hummus, and I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Cheers and keep cooking.